Alright guys, so you've seen the title, you know what's it about. Jamaica lemon pepper chicken. Jesus Christ, it's gonna be nice. This ain't no Nando's and all them little chicken tikka masala, whatever you get from there, yeah? I'm doing this Jamaican style, something different. So it's basically gonna be cooking on a budget. I went off lunch break, got some chicken, got rice, got coconut milk, and you don't know, some red kidney beans. So I'm gonna cook up that, make it really nice. And yeah man, you guys gonna love it. Remember, everything is gonna be in the description, yeah? So jump in the description, and if you wanna cook something for your missus, Valentine's is coming up, so it's even perfect, innit? So jump in the description, check it out, and don't bother skip through the thing, yeah? You go through it stage by stage, okay? And so what I want you to do, I don't want when the time comes and then you say to your missus or your boyfriend that, oh, Fabziy cook it this way. No, Fabziy not cook it like that. So you have to go through it exactly right through the video. So watch everything. So anyway guys, you see me the video yesterday I dropped, yeah, day 2 challenge, and basically I went in the cookhouse and yeah, I went through the plates, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and it is what it is. It's military food. Sometimes it get better than that, and sometimes it's like just pure blunt. But anyway guys, this is about just cooking on a budget. Hope you guys enjoyed. Less talking and more cooking. Come on, let's go into the kitchen. So now I'm just gonna take you through what I basically bought, yeah? So box of chicken wings. Maybe 16 pieces in there. You know, we're gonna wash those, cook them up. Got some lemon, yeah, to make the sauce, help make the sauce, and also wash the chicken. Coconut milk, yeah, any coconut milk, yeah, I'll go for the light one. You got your lemon juice, you need that for later, for the sauce, and honey, you need that as well for the sauce. Kidney beans, yeah, it doesn't matter which brand, yeah, just roll with it. Then you got corn flour over here, and next one you got basmati rice. I normally go for the basmati rice, long grain rice, you know, I prefer that one. Next one I got self-raising flour. If you don't have self-raising flour, you always can just use normal plain flour. And you don't know you need sunflower oil, yeah? Any oil will do, but I'd rather use this one. And also you need the butter, yeah? Salted butter, yeah? Because when I'm seasoning so when I'm seasoning up my food, guys, I don't normally salt it, so whatever is in the seasoning, that's what I use and roll with it, yeah? But trust me, it's gonna be really nice. So the next stage now, I'm just gonna wash it, cut the chicken up and then wash them off. So come on, let's do it. All right, so what we're gonna do now is literally clean the chicken up, yeah? And give him a quick slice, yeah? Right, this bit right here, guys, I don't need it, yeah? So just cut that off, throw it away. Just give the chicken a quick clean, yeah? Same detail with all of them. And let's cut this bit right off here. So the next step is to wash the chicken off, yeah? So here right now we need the lemon. The reason why we wash the chicken off as well is just to get rid of the smell of the chicken, the odor, and that's the only reason why we wash it off, yeah? Get all the juice out. So we've got roughly about, maybe you're looking on 16 pieces of wing itself inside, yeah? And when you smell the chicken now, it smells like actual lemon. I'm not just chicken. I know for most of you guys, you must be sitting there and wondering, what the hell am I doing? But trust me, try it. Don't knock it, try it. You gotta wash your meat, man. Scoop straight out. And you can actually see the difference in water as well. You know what I mean? I don't know, people literally go to the shop, buy the meat straight from the package, straight in the oven. Nah, mate. Can't do them things, blood. So you can look on the water and you can see the difference, how clear the water is, yeah? Alright guys, so now we're just gonna go in now with the seasoning and yeah, just get the chicken ready and to basically cook, so let's do it. Alright guys, so now we're just gonna go in now with the seasoning and yeah, just get the chicken ready and to basically cook, so let's do it. So obviously guys, here's the seasoning, definitely need those, yeah? So you need garlic, chicken seasoning, and mixed spice, and obviously thyme, yeah? 2 tablespoons thyme, yeah? That's dried out thyme guys, put that in. And you got 2 tablespoons mixed spice, and 2 tablespoons also garlic seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of chicken, or it could be all-purpose seasoning, okay? Go in with all of that. Yeah, literally mix this bad boys up. You can wear gloves or use it with your hands, yeah? Just remember when you're mixing stuff like this guys, just have to be careful, make sure your nails and everything clean up. Spreading no infection around here, imagine. Should it all blended. Every part of the chicken is literally coated, yeah? And look like this, okay? Give my hands a quick wash. Alright guys, so the next part of the process now is literally to put this on the refrigerator, let it sit for 24 hours. Before this has been marinated now for 24 hours. So the taste we're gonna get from this guys is, say, 4 cups of flour. 2 to 3 cups. So you don't need no salt or nothing like that, yeah? Just put a couple of pieces in here. So you can get it all mixed up. Ready to go. It's gonna be literally like this, guys. Guys, I know it looks slightly bit messy, but however, when they're done, honestly, finger looking good. Can't wait. Move on to the next step. 35 quid for this, yeah? It's a really small one, really handy. That's literally this small basket. Copy stuff in and off you go, yeah? So in this case now guys, you need sunflower oil. Literally you're gonna need everything. Literally this is the moment you guys have been waiting for, yeah? So now the oil is hot. Chicken is ready to go, drop them in, and it's going to be roughly about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, yeah? Cook them through, guys, going to be really good, yeah? So come on, let's do it. So because this is quite small, it's a small fryer, so I want to put more than 8 pieces in here. Got them in, guys. That's it. Just give it a quick shake so they don't stick. Let it work its magic. That's it. It's 5.5 minutes now. That's what it looks like, guys, yeah? Really crispy and nice. Let's leave them for another minute. And that's it. Been in 6 minutes. Nice and crispy. And I really can't help myself. As I said guys, this is really nice. You know? So yeah, first go. Ooh, spicy. Really nice, guys. You know, the meat is just falling off the bone like proper texture. None of that KFC malarkey, that crappy guys eating in Nando's and all that. This is a proper thing. If you season your meat overnight as well, without a doubt, I mean, the result we get from it the next day. It's to die for. But anyway, just imagine you guys eating this now. Yeah guys, looking really good. So this is the last batch of chicken frying off now, and then Soon after that, I'm just gonna prep the sauce for it. Waiting on the rice and peas. Oh, rice and peas. Oh, look at that, guys. It's all ready now, guys. Golden crust, look at that. Oh, you can't beat that. Remember me tell you. Yeah. So guys, I was gonna say, guys, chicken look absolutely amazing. I know that, guys, this stage in the video you must be saying, oh man, when am I gonna eat it? When is he gonna eat it, mate? Very soon, my G, very soon. So I'm just prepping the season, the sauce, guys, yeah? So you got in here, you got butter, you got honey, you got some herb spice and also chicken season, yeah? Guys, take the sauce, stamp a little on the chicken. Oh, look at that. Zoom in on it, my G. Zoom in. I know your belly is running right now, guys. I know. I feel your pain. As I say, guys, simple recipe, nothing hard. And there we have it, guys. Nice, easy, simple recipe. Nothing too hard, yeah? This literally take me like, what, 45 minutes. Not long at all. Just a little on the top. Splendid. Some more sauce in again. Simple, easy meal, yeah, don't take too long at all. So guys, I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description. Make sure you guys go and check it out. Yeah, literally on a budget, you know what I mean? Don't take too long, so make sure you guys try it. I know you guys more water right now, dying to try it. So yeah, I can't wait. I'll tell you what it tastes like. Really nice. Subscribe.